Hello, my name is Thomas from Nemo Engineering, and I'm going to show you the difference between the folding bail handle and the folding ring handle. As you can see, the biggest difference is the size. So you have the same functionality, you can fold it over when it's closed, but the ring itself of the folding ring is shorter than the folding bail handle. Another difference is that the folding bail handle is made only out of steel zinc plated, while the folding ring is made in stainless steel. Because it's made of stainless steel, the force is slightly lower, though not that much that you wouldn't be able to use it anymore. After installing it with the proper grommets, you can install it in your panel, and you can fold it down, and you have closed the application. For more information, you can always download our catalog on www.turnlock.us. Thank you.